Hello everybody, welcome back to the third tutorial for C Sharp. What we're going to actually go over today is basically simple math stuff. So we'll go over addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, and how you can actually do that and output it to the screen through your actual program. So what we'll actually do is we'll start off with an integer variable, and we'll just say x, and we want to make it equal to 10. So we've got x is equal to 10. So let's go ahead, we'll do another one, and we'll make it y. We'll set that equal to 12. And just for a third one, we will do z, and we will set that equal to 0. Or I'll do this. We'll set it to null, and we'll do it like we did last time, and we will set it to a nullable character. So now that we have three integers, what we actually want to do is we want to say, this is the first way, we'll say z equals x plus y. Now, so we've already got this. Now what we're doing is we're saying, okay, x plus y is going to be put in z. So let's go ahead and go console dot out dot right line, and what we'll do is we'll actually just put z in here. So let's go ahead and run this. Now as you can see, it comes up with 22. Now the other way that we can actually do this is take this same statement right here and take out z, and let's just put x plus y inside of here, and we'll run it, and as you can see, 22 and 22. So z equals 22 and x plus y equals 22. So now, knowing this, we can sit there and actually do the other actual math equations with this. So if we wanted to change this to a minus and change this to a minus, we actually run it, then you see we get a -2 for both of them. So let's go ahead and do multiplication, which is an asterisk, and then in the other one we'll actually do division, which is the backslash. And let's go ahead and run that, and as you see, we've got 120 and 0. So this is basically simple math in here. So if you want to go a step further, you can actually go ahead and ask a user. So we'll do console.writeLine, and we'll actually ask the user to enter a number. So just say enter a number, and what we'll actually do is we will get the input, and to get an input for as a number, what we actually want to do is we will say x equals convert to, or convert dot to, and then int 32. And then inside here, we'll go console dot read line. That way we get what we actually wanted. So now we can actually do the same thing and put down here, enter a second number. Oh, done wrote number again. And change this to a y. And that way, whenever we get this second number, it sets it to y. And what we can actually do is we'll take this and we'll put it down here, and we will actually add to this, we'll say the answer to, and then we'll actually put a plus, and we will say x, and then we'll actually have another plus, and then another quote, and in here put another plus just to make it look right, and another plus. The plus, if you don't know already, is for what's called concatenation. It basically takes whatever you actually put in here, and it either reads it as x plus y and gives you an answer, or it converts it to an actual string that you're actually trying to put in here. So if you're putting a string here plus this variable, then it's going to read it as a string. So then we want to put over here y, then another plus, and then quotes. We'll go ahead and put this last plus right here. And so the answer to x plus y, and inside here we'll just say is, and then we've got that space right there, so that should look right. Let's go ahead and take this out, and what we actually need to do is right here, before that, we need to do z equals x plus y. Now, so it'll run through this, it'll get x and store it in here instead of 10. Then it goes through here and stores this, whatever the user inputs, here instead of 12. And that way, whenever it gets to here, it will go x plus y and then store that variable into z. And then it'll go here, it'll write it, and it'll say the answer to x plus y is, and then it puts the number. So if we go ahead and start this, it says enter number. So let's go to enter a second number, 54. Okay, the answer to 2 plus 54 is 56. And the reason that it showed up like this is because I forgot to put a space right here. So if we go back, and this is the thing, it's going to butt it right up next to each other unless you actually put the space in there before this number. So if we run it again, let's go to 54. Now it looks right. The answer to 2 plus 54 is 56. So this will work for all the other division, multiplication, subtraction, basically all the other mathematical stuff that you would actually do in here for the equations. So this is basically it for now. Next time I'm going to actually probably go over the start of if statements and go into that a little bit more. So just stay tuned, continue watching, and I'll actually have that up shortly. Thank you.